step 1, turn on your mobile phone, and step 2, just watch a very simple 35 seconds video. And step 3, you can get paid starting today. And boom, as simple as that. So right here you can see people from different countries in the world, they're able to cash out money for every single video that they watch. There are literally hundreds and hundreds of them, and they're paying out in many different payment methods available in many countries. And right there, guess what they do? By just simply watching a very simple 35-second videos, just like what you see right now. For example, video like this one, which is very interesting, you can just watch the video and get paid starting today. And one of the reasons why I love this method, because this is absolutely free. This requires no money and no investment at all to get started, and yes, this is available worldwide in many countries. In just a moment, I'll show you how to sign up for a free account and walk you through step-by-step real-world example on how to do this. And throughout the entire video, I'll be giving away a lot of exclusive and bonus tips. With that being said, you're able to earn double or even triple more money compared to other people. Make sure you pay close attention and watch this video all the way until the end. Before we go into the video, make sure you subscribe to all of my YouTube channels and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any brand new videos. And if you want my #1 recommendation and the best way to make money online, make sure you click on the first link in the video description and I'll send you all the details into your email inbox. Now in just a moment, I'll show you how you can watch very simple videos just like this for just 35 seconds and you can cash out your earnings. Say for example, when you click on one of these videos right here, and that's gonna take you to this page as you can see here where you can start watching the video just like usual, but the special thing is that now you can actually get paid for it. But before I show you the actual strategy, I do want to make sure that you do have a brand new YouTube account. Now when you go on to Google, I want you to search on YouTube accounts and I want you to click on the first link right here, and that's gonna take you to this page as you can see here where you can sign in and log in into your existing YouTube account. But what you can do is that when you click on the create account button right here and when you choose on for myself, that's gonna open up this brand new page as you can see here where you can create a brand new Google account for YouTube. So right there, just put in your first name, your last name, and your email address, and just put in your password and click on the next button. Once you log in into your YouTube account, you can just go and search for different keywords and you can find different videos that you can watch. So say for example, when you're watching a very simple video just like this one, once you watch the video for 35 seconds and you can receive your points and you can convert the points into actual money. But before we're able to do that, I want you to go on to the second website, which is followfast.com. Now basically on this website, they offer you different opportunities to make money online, and one of the most famous ways is by actually watching videos. As you can see here, there are over 5,000 users online right now actively watching videos and making money. So I just want to show you the recent withdrawal history where you can see all the real cash out proof. Now you can see here people from different countries in the world, they're actively making money for every single video that they watch. $1.72, $1, $1.50 over and over again by simply watching videos. And as you can see here, different country flags on the screen. Now if you see your country right on the video, make sure you comment down below and let me know, and just tell me your country and where are you coming from. But once again, you're gonna notice here they pay you in many different payment methods, for example Bitcoin, Perfect Money, or even PayPal Money, and many other different payment options. And as you can see here, when I scroll down below, I can just go on and on for literally hours because there are just so many different payment proof on their website and so many people actually making money. As you can see here, there are literally hundreds of pages of that. Now I don't know about you, but for me myself, I'm pretty excited for this strategy. Make sure you go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you how to sign up for a free account. Now when you go onto the homepage of this website, all you gotta do, just click on the join button right here, and from there that's gonna take you to this page. You can just put in your username, your email address, and put in your password, and for the location they're gonna automatically detect your country. Now don't worry about that because they're actually accepting worldwide. And under the referral section, you just have to leave it blank because I'm not gonna leave any referral links on my video. And for the capture right here, you just simply type in whatever you see on this box, and in this case actually 2057, and just type in that, and once you fill in all the details, you can just click on the join button, as simple as that. Now here's the warning, very important, make sure you don't miss out on this step. Make sure you actually activate your account by checking your email inbox and click on the activation link to verify your account. Now once you verify your account, you're able to log in into your FollowFast account as you can see here. Now for example, Purpose actually sign up a brand new account alongside with you so that I can show you everything starting from scratch. And the first thing you'll notice here on the top left section, you can see how much points you're actually earning on your account. And right there, you see inside my account right now I actually have 50 points. And right here, you can actually convert the points into actual money. And there are basically different ways for you to earn points on this website. For example, using the Facebook platform, using YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, or other platform as well. But from my personal experience, the fastest way is by using YouTube, by simply watching the videos, liking the videos, subscribing on different channels. Then I'll show you exactly how you can watch simple videos just like this on YouTube, and you can start cashing a lot of money online every single day. So right now, what I want you to do is to actually click on this play button. As you can see here, just click on this YouTube button, and that's going to take you to this page. As you can see here, when you scroll down below, you can see earn coins YouTube videos. You can just click on the play button, watch the video on YouTube for 35 seconds to earn the points. So right there, once you scroll down below, you can see how much points you can earn from this one video, and you can see a brief picture about what this video is all about, and you can just click on the play button. Very important, make sure you watch this video for at least 35 seconds, and you can refresh the page for more videos. And right now, I'll show you an example on how to do this. Now, all you gotta do is just go and click on the play button right here, and from there, that's gonna take you straight to a YouTube videos, as you can see here. Now, the first thing that I want you to do is to actually mute the video, because as usual, you don't have to actually watch the videos to earn money. Now, as you can see here, once I finish watching the videos for 35 seconds, I do actually receive 8 points inside my account. Right now, when you scroll down below on this page, they're gonna automatically help you to refresh and show you the second videos that you can watch. For example, this one, they actually pay you 7 points for doing that. So what you can do is that you can actually click on the play button once again. And as you can see here, they're gonna start loading up, and you can just leave it on the background. You can just do your own things. And one thing you'll notice here is that when you go on to your follow fast account, you can see they're actually counting down for the 35 seconds. As you can see here, you earn points in 25 seconds. They keep on counting down for 35 seconds. So as you can see here, I just let the video play at the background. I can just turn off the volume. So as you can see here, points added to your balance. As you can see here, after 35 seconds, the points will be added on my balance. Right now, I do actually have 65 points. And you can just repeat this over and over again. Now, once again, when you scroll down below, you can find the next new YouTube videos. But one bonus tip that I want to share with you is that you can actually open up multiple YouTube videos at the same time, so you can earn triple more points compared to other people. So let me show you exactly how it works. Say for example, if you want to watch on this video and they're gonna pay you 7 points for that, you can just click on the play button, and they're gonna start automatically running the videos. And when you check on your account, you can see they start counting down on the 35 seconds, and once it finishes, you can earn 7 points. So what you can do is that you can scroll back on top, and when you click on the play button once again, you open this on another new tab. Now when I scroll down below, you can see there's actually the second video that I can watch at the same time, which is gonna pay me 6 points. All I gotta do is just click on the play button once again, and as you can see here, that's gonna open up another video on YouTube. And I just mute, right? I just close the volume, as you can see here, and I can actually turn on the settings. When you click on the gear settings, I want you to choose on the quality, and you can just turn it to the lowest, which is 144p. And the reason for that is that that's gonna save you your internet connection. That's gonna save your data if you're using a data right now to watching the video. And the reason why you can do all of these things is that you basically don't have to seriously watching the video. You can just let it play and watch it at the background. And one thing you're gonna notice is that I actually do play multiple videos at the same time. This is actually the first video, and this is actually the second video. And what I do is that I open up 3 videos at the same time so that they run right 35 seconds at the same time. And as you can see here, that's how I can earn points very fast compared to other people. And they are just unlimited videos that you can watch, and you can earn points over and over again for just 35 seconds of watching a simple video. So say for example, if you want to try on something new, you can click on another category, which is liking the videos. You can just click on this button, as you can see here, and from there, that's gonna bring you to this page. As you can see here, YouTube videos like, you can like the videos to earn points. Now all you gotta do is just click on the like button, like the video on YouTube, and you can just close the window, and you can skip whatever videos that you don't like. But one thing to take note is that make sure you wait for at least 15 seconds for doing that, and you can refresh the video page. Now when you scroll down below, you can find there's so many videos that you can just simply like the videos and get paid for that. And on average, they're gonna pay you 5 points, 6 points, sometimes 7 or 8 points, as you can see here. But the good thing is that there's so many videos that you can like. And one thing I like about this is that you can just click on this button right here. here to load more pages, and they're gonna start loading more videos that you can just click on the like button and you can earn the points for that. So say for example, if I click on this button right here, and that's going to bring me to this video as you can see here, and I just go down below and I just click on the like button as you can see here, as simple as that. And do make sure that you watch the video for 15 seconds, and after that you can just refresh the page. I'm just finished watching a few videos and liking a few YouTube videos, and right now I do have 225 points sitting inside my account. And all of this strategy right here does not require any technical skill or any experience. You can just watch the video, like the videos, and wait for a few seconds to earn your points. But right now I want to give you one bonus tip if you're still watching, right? Make sure you pay close attention. When you click on the daily bonus, right, click on this button on top, and that's going to take you to this page. As you can see here, where you can claim your daily and hourly bonus point. Now number one, you can see here free points every day. When you log in every day inside your Follow Fast account, and when you do 15 likes or watching 15 videos, and you can just click on the button below to earn the extra bonus point. And as you can see here, they straight away give you 100 points, which is a lot. So you can actually claim this bonus point one time every single day. And when you scroll down below, as you can see here, free points every hour. Now every single hour you can claim on this bonus, and once you watch 3 videos or liking 3 videos, you can earn extra 25 points by just clicking on this button. So by using this bonus point strategy, you can earn extra a few hundred points every single day. And once again, all you gotta do just by watching simple videos on YouTube, watch the video for 35 seconds, and that's exactly how all of these people from different countries in the world, they're able to cash out real money online by simply watching videos. If you think that today's video is too difficult and you want something more easier that can help you to make money online right now, make sure you go ahead and click on the first link in the video description. Click on that and I'll send you all the details into your email inbox. And don't forget to subscribe to all of my channels and turn on the notification bell. And if you want more money making videos, make sure you click on the next video as you can see here on the screen. Click on that and I'll see you on the inside.